Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my everyday makeup routine. And this is actually my updated routine. I do have a previous video of my old routine on my channel. However, I have made some changes since then, so it was only right for me to give you all an update. So I am starting off with my primer, NYX HD Studio Photogenic. I will have it listed in the description box. So I start off with that and rub that in real good, and then I'm going to add my lashes. And I got these lashes from Amazon. Again, I can link that in the description box. Okay, and I'm making sure that the faux lash is right on top of my lash line, so I'm just squeezing it a little bit into I'm squeezing the faux lash into my natural lash line so it'll look as natural as possible. Now I'm going to go in with a little eyeliner, and I'm going to do a wing, and I'm also using the product from NYX. It is a liquid liner and it is called Epic Ink Liner. I'm just gonna do my wing and keep building on top of it until I get it to the way I want it. And of course, I'm going to do the same thing on both eyes. Alright, so I got them to my liking, and now I'm getting ready to move on to foundation. I'm going to be using Juvia's Place I Am Magic in 440, and the name associated with 440 is Savannah. And I basically just use a tapping motion and tap, 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 dots all over my face. It helps me to get my face fully saturated, and if I have a dot everywhere on my face, I know that I'm going to get the full coverage. It'll be nice and smooth and even. And I'm going to, or I did, wet my sponge about 3 times and tapped it on my wrist twice. And I am using a tapping motion with the sponge to blend out the foundation. Now that I've got my foundation the way I want it, I am ready for concealer. And I will be using MAC NC43. This is Studio Fix. And I am not starting the concealer right under my eye because I'm actually going to go in with a shade that's a bit lighter on top. So I actually am using this color a little bit along my cheekbones. And then I'm going to use it on my nose, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead and my chin. I'm going to give it a little spray with my setting spray to let it set in for a few seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead and wet my sponge again and blend it out. Okay, at this point I decided to go ahead and contour a little bit. Then after I do this light contour, I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with my sponge. I like to go ahead and do a little contouring before I blend out my concealer because it helps to get rid of harsh lines that I may have from the contour. Concealer is all blended out now, so I'm going to go ahead and set with a setting powder from Morphe. It is in the color Banana Rich, and I'm basically going to put it wherever I could highlight or concealer. And I'm going to go back in and contour a bit more until it's to my liking. So I'm going to go in with some powder from MAC. This is Studio Fix as well, or StudioFinish, and I'm putting it over my highlighted areas. It gives me a more soft, smooth type of look. I'm going to go in with some blush from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to align it along my cheekbone. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara under my eyes. I'm not going to do eyeliner because I still want it to look pretty natural, so just mascara, and this is Snapscara by Maybelline. Alright, and that is it, you guys. The lip color that I used is Caramel from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and the highlight is also from Anastasia Beverly Hills from the Glow Kit. So I just wanted to give a quick update on the progress of my hair and tell them where it is right now. This is a braid out, and I just styled it how I seem fit. The last time I tried a braid out, it came out okay. It definitely wasn't my best, and it's not what I was used to. This kind of still isn't what I'm used to, but it is definitely on the road back to what it was. So the last time I did a braid out, it was in April, and it was in the video where I did a tutorial and a product review using CURLDRIP Naturals. Yeah, plug. I used the whole line, the shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, edge control, shine gloss, all of that. So I've definitely been using that, and I've also been using Jamaican black castor oil, and I'll get more into that in another video. But CURLDRIP has definitely helped. It played a part in getting my hair to where it is now. And yeah, this braid out is definitely a lot better than the other one. I will put a little clip in here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So there are actually a few things that I have been doing that have really saved my hair and helped to bring it back to life. So Just wanted to throw that little plug in there. CURLDRIP. I'll have the link below so you guys can check it out and try some for yourself. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, thank you. I definitely appreciate it. If you are not subscribed to this channel, click that subscribe button right below, and right next to it is a bell. Hit that. That's the notification, so you will be in the notification game and you will know whenever I drop a new video. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time.